How often does AC need Freon? Many homeowners think refrigerant works like fuel and needs to be topped off regularly, but that is not how an air conditioner works. If your AC in Murrieta is low on refrigerant, it is a clear warning sign that something is wrong. That is why homeowners trust AirTime Heating and Cooling to diagnose the real issue, instead of masking it with a refill. A properly working air conditioner should never need Freon added. Refrigerant circulates through a sealed system and is not used up during normal operation. If refrigerant levels drop, it means there is a leak somewhere in the system. Common signs include warm air from the vents, ice on refrigerant lines or coils, hissing or bubbling noises, long run times, and rising energy bills. Adding Freon without repairing the leak does not fix the problem and often leads to compressor damage and higher repair costs. AirTime Heating and Cooling locates the leak, repairs it correctly, and restores proper refrigerant levels. Murrieta Heat puts heavy strain on AC systems. Running an air conditioner with low refrigerant forces the compressor to work harder and overheat. If you notice icing, weak cooling, or unusual noises, early refrigerant repair can prevent major damage and avoid costly system replacement. If your AC is blowing warm air, icing up, or struggling to cool your home, schedule professional AC repair with AirTime Heating and Cooling. We provide accurate refrigerant diagnostics and honest solutions to keep your Murrieta home cool and protected.